for this week, and it's called finding the box and whisker or using box and whisker plots about the weather. Okay, so what you're going to have to do for this activity is you're going to use Google and you're going to type in each of the cities around Europe and find out what the temperature is. So all you got to do is go to Google. The first one's Paris, France, and this is pretty simple. So you're just going to go Paris. You got to spell it right. France weather. And immediately it's going to come up. Okay, so all you got to do is see it's 68 today. So you're just going to put 68 in the box. Then you'll do the same thing with Munich, Germany. So Munich. And you can see it's already coming up before you even type it in. That's going to be 62. And then you'll do London, England. So it's 63. And Madrid, Spain. So that's also 63. And Rome, Italy. This one I had to click on 65. And then we'll do Dublin, Ireland. That's 51. And then the last one will be Stockholm, Sweden. That is 58. All right, so once you have all those pieces of information, okay, then before you start doing or finding your values, you always have to order them from least to greatest. So all you've got to do is type your numbers in from least to greatest. That's something that I noticed in the other activities that we forgot to do when we were trying to find our medians of things. But they always have to be in order from least to greatest. So we got 51 is going to be the smallest. Then it looks like the next one is going to be 58. Then we have 62. And then we've got 63 and another 63. And then what looks like we've got 65 and then 68. So now we're in order from least to greatest. So now we're ready to fill out our values. So remember the lower extreme is the smallest number. So that's going to be 51. The lower quartile I'm going to skip. I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to come back to the median and the upper quartile. And I'm going to find the upper extreme, which is pretty simple. That's just the largest number. So that was Paris, France at 68. All right, now I'm going to do the median next, okay? Remember, you're counting in to the middle. So we've got 51, 68 are marked off, 58, 65 are marked off, 62, 63 are marked off. So that middle number, the median, is 63. And now, once you've gotten the median, that's the middle, so that splits your data into two sections. This bottom piece right here, with these three numbers, and that is going to be how I find my lower quartile, because the lower quartile is the median of the bottom half of the data, which I can see right away is going to be 58. Then to get my upper quartile, remember the median 63, so I don't want to include that. That's the upper half of the data right there. So 65 is going to be the middle number. So that's how you're getting your data right there, okay? Then you're going to go down and you're going to do the exact same thing with today's temperatures around the USA. So you're going to go to Google, you're going to type those in and find your information. Okay, once you've done that, you are going to create box plots, but you're going to do it on these Google Slides. And if you've already done the box plot entertainers, you've done this before. This is also something very similar if you have Ms. Robaugh or Miss Bernard. You do this a lot in their HyperDoc activities where you've got to click on the presentation. And then once you click on the presentation, it's view only. So you're not able to manipulate the slides because you have to go in and make a copy of the entire presentation and create your own. And if I were you, rather than copy of, I would just type my name in right there and then click OK. And that's the one that you're going to work in. And now that's yours and you can change things, okay? So the directions are on the front. It says on the next slides, draw your box plots by clicking and dragging the parts to the correct location and size on the number line. So the first one is the Europe temperatures, all right? So we had a lower extreme of 51. So I'll go ahead and drag that to 51. About, remember it's an estimate. So I'll try as close as I can. And then my upper extreme was 68. So I'll move this point to 68, so be right about there. So as you can see, I'm definitely going to have to resize my whiskers in my box. So then it looks like my box is where the lower quartile number is. So the box starts at 58, and then it ends where the upper quartile number is. So I need to make my box sized between 58 and 65. So I'll go down here, take my box. It's going to be pretty small, 58. Let's see what it looks like. To 65. I can probably make it a little bit bigger. There's 65 because it looks like it's going by fives. And this probably needs to be a little bit that way. Okay, so that's, remember, we're just kind of estimating. So there's my box. Then I need to put my median in, which is at 63. So I'm going to take my median line here, put it right about there. Okay, and then I need to put my whiskers in, and my whiskers are too long, so I'm going to have to resize them. And then I'll put them right there. This isn't going to be perfect, but you get the idea. Maybe I can move this up a little bit. Okay. And then this one. Once again, I got to make this one a little smaller. A lot smaller, as a matter of fact. I'll move my box so that's probably better. Okay. So in general, there's about my box plot for my Europe temperatures. Now you're going to go back and you're going to do the exact same thing for your USA temperatures. Once you're finished with your slides, you're going to come up to your slides and you're going to Control-C, copy the link, and then you're going to insert your Google Slides link of your box plots right here. And then the last thing you're going to do is answer the 3 questions, and then when you're finished, you're submitted. You can submit. Once again, if you have any questions on this assignment, feel free to email me, chat me through Remind. You can comment on this activity if there's parts of it you don't understand, and then submit it, and then I can share it back with you so you can finish it up. So, and also I would just love to hear from you because it's been a while. So let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.